The biology major at Behrend is divided into multiple options. That way the student can tailor their educational needs to suit their career goals. We want them to be well-versed in scientific communication, both written and oral, help the students develop their scientific reasoning, their critical thinking skills, and we want to help them establish the skills needed to work in the laboratory or in the field. A student should be able to explain the fundamental principles of biology, read and understand, and critically assess the scientific literature. They should also be able to design, conduct, and analyze biological research, and ultimately they should understand how important biology is in society. Students graduating can directly enter the workforce. They can work in areas such as wildlife biologists, laboratory technicians, resource management specialists. Many of our students go on to graduate school, whereas others will enter health professional schools like medical school, dentistry, pharmacy school, and so on. An employer will find that a Behrend biology graduate will be extremely inquisitive, will be a hard worker, will have exceptional laboratory skills, and will have a solid foundation in biology.